In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to export PDF UA documents in C#. Hey guys, welcome. And like I said, we're going to talk about how to export PDF UA format documents in C# using IronPDF. First, we'll start with the NuGet Package Manager screen. As you can see, I've already installed the IronPDF, but you can do so using the NuGet Package Manager if you'd like to follow along. So let's move to the program.cs file and take a look. So first we need to use the IronPDF library, which is why I've installed it here at the top. After that, I've added the IronPDF license key, and this key allows us to use the full functionality of IronPDF. I've also wrapped the key in a region, so you're not going to be able to see it during this video. Next, we open up our PDF file, and we do this by creating a PDF document object and using the from file method to load our PDF. So here we're loading a file named wikipedia.pdf, and this method reads the file and prepares it for further operations. Now, to export this PDF as a PDF UA compliant document, we use the save PDF UA method on our PDF document object. And then we specify the name of the new file. So in this case, PDF UA wikipedia.pdf. And this method converts our existing PDF into a PDF UA compliant document and then saves it. And that's it. That's all the code you need. So let's go ahead and run the program and show you how it works in action. As you can see, the program was executed successfully. So let's go ahead and verify the PDF with the validator. I've already selected the PDF we just created. So let's execute the validation. And there you have it. The validator confirms that our PDF file is indeed PDF UA compliant. I hope this video helped you understand how to export PDF UA compliant documents using IronPDF in C#. All right, thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, click like and subscribe if you like some more videos from us. And also, if you haven't tried out the IronPDF software yet, you are missing out. There's a link in the description that'll take you to a page where you can download and install the package and check out the power of IronPDF yourself.